Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. I am now checking out the Barceló Maya Colonial. So it's kind of a partner with the Tropical. They have sharing privileges, and Maya and Carib have sharing privileges, and all four of these resorts have privileges of sharing facilities like pools and restaurants. So follow along and let's see what this lobby has to offer. You would be happy staying at any of these four resorts in the middle of the Barceló Maya Resort. Some have swim ups and some have larger water parks for children. You just have to decide what works best for you. This one has a shopping plaza. So if you need some gifts to take home, or if you need a hat while you're here, or maybe a bathing suit, we certainly have a lot of choices. We've got some great bags as well. So be sure to save time and come to this mall. So you can see all the selection. Of course they have some knockoffs, but hey, that's okay. And this is Jaguar's discotheque. So this is a place to come and dance late into the night. And this again is on the Colonial side. It's open from 10:30 to 2 a.m. This is the escape room. We did this last night. We were in a room for an hour trying to find clues to open doors and to find a necklace that was worn by a pharaoh. I mean, it's quite fun. So that might be something you want to look into. If you are wanting to get married in a Catholic chapel, this is located on the Colonial side, and it can hold up to over actually 100 guests. They have pews, and they'll also set up extra chairs if you like. So if you're needing a Catholic chapel, call me and let's plan this. And this is the wedding office. So you will meet with your on-site wedding coordinator about 3 days or 2 days prior to your wedding ceremony. They have tennis courts and pickleball courts. Novia Mia is the on-site wedding photographer, and I've seen their pictures and they're very good. You would be in good hands. If you are wanting an elevated experience for a room, choose something that says premium within the room category. It just means that you may have a larger room or something that's closer to the beach or the pool. This is the Colonial lobby. And the front desk. There are over 400 rooms on the Colonial side. And this is a bar just off the lobby if you want to come and have something to drink. The restaurants are along this walkway. You do need to make reservations nightly if you would like to dine within a formal restaurant. Kyoto. The Colonial and the Tropical do share buffets and some other experiences, so at times you may not know exactly what part of the resort you're in because they're sort of blended, but there's two separate lobbies. And this is the walkway past the rooms towards the beach and the pool. And you can see these are 3 levels. There are limited elevators, so speak with me if you want to book a room that's close to an elevator. Bottom rooms are with a terrace, and clearly you can see that these rooms would be called garden view. So you can see I'm walking towards the pools, and the ocean is a bit beyond. And choosing either the tropical or the colonial will not impact your wedding, your vacation. It's just two different names. So you can see the water park, and that is shared by colonial and tropical. The kids can play at any of those parks. So I'm still on the colonial side, but now we're blending into the tropical side. This is the junior suite premium level in the colonial tropical. So let's have a peek. Tub and shower. Good if you have children. Hair dryer, makeup mirror. Oh, this is spacious. 2 beds. Sofa which you can sleep on, coffee station, and well-stocked mini fridge, TV, desk, sliding glass doors, and this is premium because of its proximity to the pool and the beach. It's a bit closer. So if that's something that you really want, make sure you choose the room with premium in the name. I'm looking at room 7132. This is the lead-in room category, and it's a garden view. This is a bathroom with a shower. There is a safe, place for your luggage, 2 double beds, so 4 people for all intents and purposes, and this can accommodate 1 person. It doesn't pull out, it's just that you can make this into a bed. And again, this is a garden view, but still lovely. I mean, who wouldn't like that view? So this is the lead-in room category at tropical or colonial. You can see that this is a big complex. The good thing about that is there's always lots to do. If you're having a destination wedding, you never have to be the ringleader because there's so many activities, so many pools to swim in and shopping mall. So it's a very good choice for large groups, and it's great for families. At all 6 lobbies, there is no wait service on the beach, so there's going to be no waiter who will bring you a cocktail. You'll have to walk from the beach up to the sidewalk and to one of the bars and bring drinks down to your chair. For some people, it doesn't make any difference. As long as you've got a bottle of water, you're happy. But if you're wanting service with cocktails, you may want to choose a chair that's closest to the bar. I don't know if I'd be comfortable going out without one of the staff. When I went out, there was one of the staff members who did all the steering. I don't trust me with steering. It's a little bit wavy today. So I'm standing on the Colonial side, but the Colonial also shares with the tropical side or lobby. So that is a shared kids park for both lobbies. And tropical and Colonial have sharing privileges with beach and Caribe. Just not with the adult only or the Barceló Maya Palace. So what that means is you have so many restaurant choices, so many bar choices, beautiful beach to share. There are lots to do for all family members. Hey everyone, it's Susan at Escapes. Thank you so much for following along on my tour of Barceló Maya Colonial. It's a great resort. This is a great complex. So if you're wanting to have a family vacation, a honeymoon, a romantic getaway, or just some time for yourself, give me a call, Susan at Escapes, and let's plan your next vacation. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up and do subscribe. I appreciate it.